Hi, it's Mike Harding here at Harding Auto Services. I thought we'd do a little bit of a tour today to show you the workshops that and the facilities that we have here. This is where it all started. My dad started the business in 1979 and we moved to where we are now in 1982. And these two bays here, these two service bays, is where my dad first set up shop. And we've basically expanded on the same site here for the last 45 plus years. We now have the MOT bay as well as the two service bays here, and this still is to this day used for service and repairs, general repairs and tyre changes. Okay, so we moved in here into Unit 5 in about 2005-2006 time. It was the first part of our expansion. Today this is used as our general repairs workshop. We've got a bit more room around the bays here, so we do some of the bigger jobs, some of the more complex jobs that require more space, more time, and we have the space and the facilities in here to be able to do that. So the cars will come in here for longer periods of time, and we'll have all the resources we need in place to be able to do the bigger builds and the bigger jobs. So in 2016 we expanded again and we moved sideways, and here we are in Unit 4. This bay and workshop is more for our engineering and development side of things. It's where we do our really big custom builds. We've obviously got the rolling road, we've got CNC engineering facilities for manufacturing of parts, engine build room, only one ramp in here. Like I say, this is where some of the more complex problems are solved, certainly where we do all of our brainstorming and our development work for all the custom things that we do here. And it also is part and parcel of what we've been doing and is growing as a business over the last 10 years, doing more and more of these kind of repairs, not just custom work, but also on the classic and vintage cars. So this is where all that side of things happens. Okay, so here we are, 2025, and this is our latest workshop. We're in Unit 3 now on the row of Units 6 to 3. We are in here doing our diagnostic work, our really complicated electronic faults that we've always been well regarded for. So plenty of space in here to work around all of those kind of problems that we see with the modern cars. We've also invested in the latest wheel alignment equipment from Bar. This is the new Q-Line system, which has transformed our ability to set up not just road cars but track cars as well, which we use in conjunction with all of our corner weighting and setup. And we've also put in a full metal fabrication facility here so that we can make all of the parts that we need for custom cars, but also for the classic cars, which we need to be able to do. So this gives us the ability to make our custom exhausts, do our roll cages, do all of our brackets, and all of the things that we need to do to be able to fabricate to manufacture the parts for all the type of work that we do here. So yeah, this is the latest edition, and it's already working hard and working really well for us. So it just gives us a space to be able to do the things and deliver the quality that I like to be able to do here, because it's important that I'm proud of everything we do.